Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is the weekly contest 429. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about today's contest, this problem and everything in between. This is just a live video. We'll have the explanation in its own thing at some point, but yeah. For each problem, sorry, I'm like really tired. I drove all day and now I am back. Just barely made it. There's 20 seconds to go. I'm in Santa Ana here in El Salvador. Today was supposed to be a relaxing day, but the driving made it a little bit tiring, regardless. Anyway, however it is, we'll try to do our best. I'm too tired, so it may just end up being a waiting donation, but that's okay. Just here to have some fun, hopefully, and we'll get to go. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I forgot to register, just like a noob. Okay, I mean, only wasted like 3-4 seconds, maybe. All right. Okay, I mean, is the second one the same one? No, I don't know. Okay. Okay, so and okay, so if set of no, what am I doing? This is very yucky, honestly, but it should be okay. Unless I misunderstood it, which is always capable, especially these days. I feel like I'm misreading everything. Nums and integer k. Each element at most once, add an integer, return a maximum after performing the performance. Okay. Whatever, too lazy to manage it. Okay, so then now x minus k Is this right? I feel like this is roughly right, but it's easy to mess up. YOLO. Okay. I thought so, but I wasn't sure, honestly. Binary string s and length n. Select an index, flip it to s of I. Sliding windows? Why is this hard? Where's the two of them? What is the difference? 1000, 10 to the 5th. Okay. Could do this one yet? No. Could do this one yet? No. Okay. 1000. I guess we should. Wait, what? Best of I is 1, then change. Okay, we flip 1. Minimize the longest length. Okay, minimize the length of the longest. So you want to break it up. It's just binary search. I feel like with binary search, someone would have gotten it though. No, that's too crazy. Index and nums ops. No one's gotten it yet. That's not binary search. I don't think. Could be wrong. It said that was binary search of some crazy thing. It feels like binary search though. But maybe there's a lot of nuance to it. But it's not DP either. Is it? Could be, right? Well, there goes the dream of ending early. Now you need to do a number of ops, so then you can't do a for loop, so that's not DP. Or at least not like this. It's a good thing I got the first. What was this? 6 point. It's a good thing I got the first 2 quickly then. I don't even know the n square solution. Still no one got it, right? I don't know that. Okay, well, that's wild. How would I think about this? I mean, binary search still just feels so intuitive, but I guess the problem is that you have 0 and 1s, and there's some like factors about switching when to care about which. So the thing that matters is the last number and the number of ops. I'm trying to think about the dumb one, but I don't know that I can even. I mean, unless it's segment tree. I think there's like a segment tree weirdness, but I don't know. But that's just counting it, not or like getting the query. So you could query that. There's still an idea about divide and conquer though. I don't know. Maybe I need a notebook as well. Okay. No one even knows the n-squared solution. That's wild. Index and number of ops is already too tricky, right? Index. Is there a way to separate the zeros and the ones? Can we take advantage of the fact that it's 0 and 1? There's two numbers. Oh, someone got it. Actually, a lot of people got it. Maybe they were just working on the hard one. Well done. I still don't have any idea, honestly. Maybe it is binary search. I don't know. What would a binary search look like? Yes, it is what it would look like, right? Just greedy. But 7 pointers seems pretty high for binary search. I don't know. Well, let's just run one, and if it will tell us an answer or like a wrong solution. Right. So this is good. Then we try a smaller number. The thing is that there is a case in which like you want to use it the one earlier, so I don't know. Maybe this part is DP. Maybe this part is DPable. Can you DP on index subs and target? I don't know. You have to do things first, so now. So in theory this would work, but I mean it doesn't though, because I think I have a case in my head. That's why I'm like, I don't think so about it. 1 minus last. Oh, it's an int. 1 1 1. Yeah, that's kind of good that it doesn't. Wait, why? Why is 2 not good? 2 and it's on 3 it goes 1, right? from 0 to 1. If streak is greater than target. I can't believe I have to debug this. But here's what it is. Okay, so on 3, on 1, it thinks it does, well, wait, what? Target is 1, ops is 0 is not right. Right. Target 3, last is 0, streak is 1. Streak is not greater than target, okay? I don't get it, why is streak not incrementing? Oh, because this is end, you idiot. Okay, so now this is fine. I am dumb today. Well, I've been dumb for a while, especially today. I don't think this is right, honestly, but because I know, yeah. Oh, well, that's actually unexpected. But so that's actually a bad case of being wrong there. What else? Your answer is C. What? Oh, longest streak. If target is, so target cannot be 0. Why? Yeah, target cannot have a streak of 0, Larry, you dumbo. Okay, now I'm still going to expect the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer that I was looking for, I think, because the greedy is that it changes to just 0, and then it should change to 1. So it either changes this or the previous. I think this needs a DP. Well, a lot of people got it already. I got only two. So this is the actual case that I was thinking about, but I couldn't figure it out in my head. Like it was something like this, but yeah, okay. So then now, oh, okay, I see. So in this case, we do a tick, no tick, right? Yeah. Okay, I see. Yeah. I kind of knew this one, but or knew that this was the thing, but I'm too tired and I needed someone to tell me the case. The other one is bad though, but yeah. So for X and S. Okay, so then now, yeah. How do I do it though? Because basically you want to move either on the I mean, I think the binary search is right idea. But what happens when you greedily text to 0, right? And you should shift it to the other one. Like I think this is where the DP might come from, the linear DP, because then now you don't have to do number of ops, you just do we do a current, but then that's still index. So, all right, let's. Yeah, okay. I mean, maybe we can figure it out. It's not the number of ops, it's the streak. Right. So then now you minimize over that. Okay. And okay, you just write it out, Larry. You got this. Okay. We return 0 operations. Otherwise, we just go, yeah. If streak is greater than target, then we return infinity. Otherwise, then now we just best is equal to infinity. We go index +1. So it's use, no use. Something like this. And this, no, you don't, if you're going to use one, then it's always going to be whatever. Well, I already saved it, so saved it by submitting a bad thing. So something like this. Okay. So if index is equal to 0, I guess you can always just use it. Right? So then now you can best is equal to also right, something like that. I forget how to do it. I'm just like being dumb today. Didn't I write this like last week? Why am I wasting time on this? Worry about it later. Okay, so then you right? Then f is equal to min. Best go index +1. You have a streak of 1. Yeah, maybe it's okay just to, I don't know. If num sub or s sub index if it's equal to index, then you can do streak +1. Or you can do new streak of 1 and then swap it. Else, if it's different, then you can same thing really, except for now this costs 1, this costs 1. No, so if it is different, then you add it to streak, and then yeah, and this does not cost anything, except for this is now num sub 0. Okay. Okay, I think this is the expected things. I do want to figure out the I'm trying to find my, I did it last week. How come I can't do it? I'm just looking for my last week's code. I am not a smart boy today. What was last week anyway? So I was doing optimization last week. Okay. Oh, isn't that what I wrote? That is what I wrote, right? So why is that not working? Huh. So maybe I'm not dumb. Maybe I'm just doing something else stupid. Okay, maybe I am doing something else stupid. Okay, let's submit this first. If it runs out of memory or something, it'll be kind of sad. Ooh, expected 2, output 1. I don't know why I'm being so silly on this one. Also, I should have tested a big case, by the way, but I forgot. Okay, so you have 0, right? Does the cache mess up, actually? I wonder if the cache messes up. I forgot to, I was going to, but then I forgot to clear it. Because it might just give me like the same thing for different targets. No, it still gives me 1. Why does it give me 1? Good is right. 2 is, if 2 is no good, then you have to try bigger streak, right? So tries 1, okay, whatever. What does good of 1 tell me? True, that's, I mean, that's fair. Wait, is it? No, 1 should be false, right? Why? Okay. Good of 1. Oh, this is just weird nowadays. Okay. Why 1? If streak is greater than infinity. So it doesn't cost any operation, but the streak is 2. But then it costs infinity, so... Oh, I have to do this first, I'm dumb. Today I am dumb. Dumbo, okay. With 3 wrong answers. Here's the 4th. I forgot to run a big case. Hopefully Leetcode is gentle, but maybe this time's out. It looks like it's timing out. But at least that's we're on the right track, maybe? Oh no, that's even worse, actually. I actually didn't expect the wrong answer after that long no time. I'm not doing well today. Okay, so the answer is 1. I expect 2. 1 is 10101, right? So first 2 digits. Okay. That should be done with it, right? So why is that no good? So 1, it returns false. Why? Okay, so 3. So 1, it thinks it takes 3 operations. Which 3? The last 3 maybe, but also the first 2 only, right? Do I do this wrong? So this is not equal to... Oh, I messed up on the first digit because it is not equal to. So then... What? No, then this should work with whatever, right? It's not equal to, yeah. Sorry. Okay, so 4 1 3 1 0. Why do I print the best? Why do I print everything except for what I care about? Okay, 0 0 negative 3. Well, this should never happen. But so what are the two cases? So we don't change it. Is that why? So we're not the same. We keep it. So that doesn't make sense. That okay, but then 1 1 0 is 3. What's 1 1 0? Index 1 1. The last one is 0, which is okay. I'm missing 1 though. Oh, the don't change is wrong. No, this is the keep the same. I'm bad at base case today. No, this is the change. So change, and then the don't change. I'm just bad. Let's just focus. It's okay. So let's just. Try to do too much with the base case. So then 1, streak up 1, and then 1 minus num sub 0 plus 1. Okay. So get too clever with these things. Okay, it's returning 1. That's good. Give it submit, YOLO. Now if it times out, then I'll be sad. I forgot to run it again, the big case. Not a great contest. How many people have done it? That cannot be updated. Only 9 people? There you go. I'm so bad behind. Time limit exceeded. Yeah, I mean, I'm not that surprised. I mean, in theory, it should be. Oh no, n squared times log of n is probably a little bit too slow, honestly. But yeah. Times, what is it, 1,000? Num ops is 1,000. Okay, so we could do a little bit better, I think, maybe. Well, we have to. But we have 4 wrong answers on this code, so that's not great. Is there something more greedy? Eight, 9 seconds. So we're not that slow, but I mean, this is why I hate Leetcode and the guessing, right? Is that I don't know if this is going to be fast enough, because we actually ran a lot of cases for this one, but it's not fast enough. Can I do a little bit better? I mean, I have to. I guess the only other way is numsops, right? If we do a DP on numsops and not the binary search. Okay, fine. But I feel like, well, that'll fix this one, but we still need a binary search one for the thing, right? So that means that I feel like there's a DP for this that isn't this, right? Streak is pretty brute force, okay. So okay, so what does this code look like? You have an index and a streak index. Do you do a number of there should be a one where you only do the last digit, but yeah, maybe today's just not my day. I don't know anything, especially Q2. I feel like this is the right idea-ish, and I was just trying to more brute force one, but even then I got so many silly mistakes, and I was hoping that I can optimize this, but I don't know that I can. I feel like it's a last digit DP, but I'm not doing it right, because you have to do it for number of ops and the number of streaks. Streaks can be resetted. I knew that this test case would be the reason why greedy wouldn't work, but I feel like there's a way to make that a little bit. Would you greedily? Let's think, okay, maybe I just need to work that out. Maybe I gave up on it too quickly on the wrong answer and then try to do something dumb. So, okay, so you have someone like this, right? It has to be DP, so, I mean, it has to be binary search. So then someone like this. And then the idea here is that if it's greater than target, okay, so if it's 2, so can I greedily, okay, so if I change it now, what does that mean? I'm gonna go get water. I think you can do the math such that this streak thing is different. Because basically, I mean, greedy maybe still works. So here we're doing this. This is the case. The answer is that, okay, on the second one, I always change to 0. But actually what we want is that because there are two things, we know that there are two things, right? So that means that we can break it in half. But which half? Because if you have or it matters that we switch this one in a greedy way, right? That's why we were, versus here, we want to switch this one. Or do we just cheat and like look at the future? Like, can we, is greedy not enough? But then that gets into all sort of decisions, right? is 2 the only case where this happens? Because I feel like maybe the answer is yes. Because more than that, it almost doesn't matter what the next thing is. Because this can only add 1 to the next thing. So the only thing that's tricky is the case 2. Right? Because if it's 3, you add 1. No, you can, I mean, you can, but look at it in terms of the entire thing together, right? Because here I'm looking at item by item. That's the only way that makes sense in a meta kind of way. Okay, so then maybe okay, and how would you do it for 3 things? It's still a complicated case. Okay, so to do. So then if we try to do it here, that'll be no good. But if we try to just add 1 in the middle, then will be maybe good. But then you don't know that because it's 3. But if you have 5, then you would definitely add in the middle. So adding it in the middle is always good. Well, I mean, you have to do the math to see how many it adds. So the only thing that is wrong is target is equal to. This is only the case if you have 2 things, right? So maybe we use dp for target is equal to 2, and then everything else we just greedy. Does that even make sense? Because by definition, everything else after this is zeros, right? So then, yeah, okay. Maybe we could do that. That makes sense to me. Okay, where's my DP solution? Okay, so this is right probably, but you know, just not good. For the general case, okay. Then here we can just put it here for 2. No, Larry, you still want the cache. But target is always going to be 2. Or this target is always 2. And whatever, just throw it in. Okay, right? And this is the case for getting the thing. Okay, so then now, okay, so then fine. Oops. If target is equal to 2, then we just return this thing maybe. Can we also do it for 1? Streak of 1. I mean, maybe we have to do another thing for it, but also, what's the 3 case? The 3 cases we have to do. If you do it to this, then now it just takes 2 operations. But if you just do 0, then you're good, right? So that's what we always want anyway. Okay, so then now that means that the number is okay. So 3, we want to say the number of okay, so we have to, let's say the max streak is 2. Okay, if target is equal to 1, then I think this code actually works, maybe, because it's just 1. Maybe I'm wrong on that one actually, but too lazy to think about it. Okay, so then now we know it's target, so then target, that means that we can even put it anywhere really. So if it's just anywhere, as long as it's not the foot, right? So then we don't even care about the rest, we just could put it anywhere. So if the target is 3, then what does this mean? That means for every 4th item, so that means that for target plus 1 chunks, right? Target plus 1 chunks, number of operations, every 4th one you need 1, right? Is that true? No, round up of course, because for 4 you need 1, for 3 you need 1, for 2 you do not. No, is it round up then? If the target is 3, 3 is fine, 4 is 1, doesn't matter where, 5 is also 1, 6 is also 1. No, then it's round down. Okay. Maybe something like this. For X and S. Where is that? 937. And nums. Did I also shadow S? Maybe I shadow S. Okay. I don't remember the right answers for these anymore. This is 2, that's actually true. 0 is, that's true. This is 2. No, that one is wrong. This is the one that we got, right? And why did it think it's 2? 2 is definitely possible, but 1 is 1 possible? 1 is this thing, and we, right? Target is 1, and we can actually. I am a terrible person. I guess you could actually add a target here. Fine. That's slightly less terrible. Okay, that means that this is great. Okay. Can target cannot be 0, so okay. Oh, Larry, you're so lazy. That's why you have 4 wrong answers. Okay. One-time error, for which case go. Oh, I just have a typos. Oh, yeah. I didn't change any of these. Okay. Where did I forget? Where did I forget? Where is it? 32. We got a Terry line number. Oh, I'm just kind of lazy and didn't even look at it that much. Okay, so 1, is that right? 1 is actually right. I said 2 was right and I was wrong actually. 1, okay. And then 2, 1, 1. Okay, let's YOLO submit. Yes! We got it, boys. And that was for Q3, but Q4 should be the same as well. Okay. Yeah, YOLO submit, unless I misread. Oh, they changed something silly. Memory limit exceeded. Come on. Come on. It's for this thing. Oh, I'm dumb. That actually makes sense. I forgot that this is still n squared, even though we did it for 1 and 2. I just forgot. um, I mean, for the other one, it's fine, but we have to solve it for 2, right? But, oh, no, this is fine, because streak only goes up to 2. That's why this is fine. So, okay, so you just have to queen it, Larry, queen it. Go.cache clear. I forgot to cache clear. That's what I get. Okay, YOLO. You proved this memory thing. Okay, that was an extra freebie. I forgot to cache clear. Okay, that was not that bad. That's actually a good problem. I wish I got it earlier, but honestly, I didn't really know it. I mean, I was stuck between 2 things, but case analysis, that was a fun problem. I actually dig that one. As you saw, because I think this is something that when I was in college, that my professor told me that, like, sometimes you have to kind of be able to think in the, like, with all these case analysis, and that was many decades ago, admittedly, but and this is a good application of it, right? Because as you saw, if you watched the entire video, I was split between, okay, let me do it this way, and also let me do it this other way. But it turns out I needed both of them combined, which I didn't think about, as you saw, and I couldn't reconcile all of them. But apparently, you did, and it's Gucci. That is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I have a lot of videos to record, so I'm getting out of here. But yeah, the retro, I mean, I feel like Q1, Q2 was fine. Q3, Q4, I liked it. I dig it a lot. Maybe there's a dumber, and by dumber, I mean like smarter, but dumber, I don't know, whatever, a easier solution than mine, but I think mine is fine. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I mean, I honestly, I don't know. I don't think mine is the ultimate solution, only because Q3 wouldn't make sense. I don't know that there's an n squared one, unless it's one of those, like, it works except for in Python kind of situation, which I could believe. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.